Hey y'all. All right, so let's get right into it. First of all, Happy New Year. It's good to see you. I have spent the morning checking on some of my listings and the properties that I will be listing that are currently under construction. So I just wanted to give you guys a tour of this particular property. That's in West Charlotte. The last time I was here, it was just the foundation that was poured. So I wanted to give you guys an update so you can see where we are now. Okay. All right. So this was the property that was kind of oddly shaped. If you remember one of the last videos I did, it was the land or the property line is oddly shaped. And there's kind of a dip off in the back. But as you can see, we're making some progress. Let's go take a look inside. I hope to have this one listed at the beginning of February, but I love this entry. So this is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with a loft space. So what we're looking at right there is where the loft is going to be. All right, so here is going to be hall closet, powder room right here. We walk into this open space, kitchen on this side, kitchen, and that's going to be the pantry, 2-car garage, and this space right here is going to be, like your family room, entertaining space, kitchen area. Now this is the backyard. We are going to lay a patio and put a border fence, at least around the back. But the property line does extend and include all of that space there that we've graded. All right, let's go upstairs. I really like the entry. All right, upstairs. Okay. I think this is going to be like the loft space, this open space here. And we have a good size secondary bedroom that will have a nice walk-in closet. And let's see, if I had to guess, all right, so this is likely going to be, y'all don't get me to lying, but I'm thinking this is going to be the bathroom. Yeah, so the bathroom here, and more than likely, this looks like a space for the laundry room. All right, yeah, so bathroom, because that would make sense because here's another bedroom, right? So a bathroom that splits the 2 secondary bedrooms. Okay, and this bedroom will also have a nice, decent size walk-in closet. All right, so let's revisit that. Secondary bedroom number 1, bathroom, and then secondary bedroom number 2, and laundry room, which of course makes this our master bedroom. All right, you can see we're going to be doing tray ceilings, and we walk through here. This will likely be the section that is the master bedroom. This will likely be water closet. That's what I'm assuming, at least. And maybe shower tub combo here. And the walk-in closet. I'm assuming we're gonna put a linen closet, double vanities. That makes sense. All right, I can't wait for the walls to go up so this whole thing can start to take shape, and we'll see if I was right about what's going where. But one of my favorite things so far is the foyer. This 2-story foyer is really nice. So this is, again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It is a touch under 1,800 square feet. And this is on a cul-de-sac in a subdivision. This is a subdivision with no HOA. I know folks are always looking for that, so no HOA. And we are in the West Charlotte area. All right, I'll keep you guys posted.